guys, nasa kusina na naman kami guys kasi nagluluto ako ng aming lunch and dinner guys. So, ano bang tawag doon? Lunch and dinner. How do you call lunch and dinner? Lunar.
Lander.
Lander daw sa kanya. So, nagluluto ako guys ng kanin at saka yung carrots guys. So, ano lang siya, niluluto ko siya sa tubig tapos nilagyan ko siya ng mantika para mamaya maprito siya. So, ito yung kanin ko. Yes, malapit na siyang maluto. Tapos ito, may sabaw dito guys. Ayan, niluto ni mama kanina. Tapos meron doon yung karne din. Hilig sila dito ng karne. Yes, lalo ito. Say hi naman sa vlog natin.
Hello everyone.
Yes. Kasi guys, alas 10 kami nagagahan. Ano na yun, brunch. So, tapos, they eat all the Vita?
No, they put there, I think, in the storage.
Yung baka, guys. Vita? Señorito, what are you doing?
Watch with dude here putting gas in his car. He's putting gas in a car.
Meron pala kami ditong kamatis at saka ito guys, pechay. So, ang English pala na ito ay mini pak choy. Yes, ano ko lang to guys, i-boiled. Ipapakuluan ko lang siya. May naman ako dyan, may patis. So, yun lang. Tapos may kamatis. So, masarap. Hi guys, ito na yung pagkain namin. Ito yung pechay na may, yan guys, may patis. So, kain tayo. Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo guys. Go na, you put rice na. Here's the
Oh my gosh.
Open this one. Kain.
Oh, the one made by
With Pepsi.
our neighbor. Yes.
You want gulay? Gusto ko magkamay. Yes, galing to, yung nila guys, carnuts, galing sa nila, kapitbahay.
It's good.
Put in the it's not yet marinated. Marinated, Here's the sauce.
Steps.
Tinuturuan ko siya kumain ng gulay. Why many Yes, ayun siya. At kumakain. Kumakain siya ng gulay, guys. You like gulay?
Gulay.
Kamatis. Kain. Kain tayo, guys.
Kain.
Yes. Sausawan namin patis at saka kamatis. Namiss ko magkamay. Oh, yung Tagarudo na. Maglalakad kami, guys. Dito lang sa town. Ano ngayon? Maganda yung panahon, unlike kahapon na malamig, nag-snow.
It is.
Now, yes, maganda panahon.
But it's nice. The weather right now is quite nice. Wait a moment.
From this moment.
Да.
We're going to buy bread. Yung garden namin, guys, may natira pang ice. Ito yung guys, dito yung yung hindi na sisilayan ng araw. Tapos yun yung green, mas green na siya. Kahapon mas madami yan, guys. Let's go. We have
No, they said about if I take bottles, but
Ha?
In park, no matter, go park.
Where? Ah,
If Ladoy Park should be there.
Bine. Ladoy Pash. Punta daw kami sa Ladoy
There are two
Pash.
steps. Like this.
Ladoy Pash.
It's nice there, don't it? It's
Da.
two steps.
Two
Mr.
steps.
Wolf. Mr. Wolf.
Da.
This is his name, Mr. Wolf. No, that's the name, no, that guy, Mr. Wolf.
Yes.
Tada! I think,
Ngayon
no,
lang
okay,
ulit kami maglalakad, guys.
No, they haven't sold it.
Nang papunta dun sa park nila. Yes, di ba?
Yung parkulet.
Kulit. Okay, so andito kami ngayon sa kusina. Meron kami ditong papaya, guys. Nabili namin dun sa Kaufland. Guys, mahal dito ang papaya, guys, dito sa Romania. Nagkakahalaga ng 12, no? 12 lei.
Yes.
And siyempre, huwag na natin i-convert sa Pilipinas kasi mahal siya, guys. Imported sa Brazilian fruit. It's a Brazilian fruit.
Yes.
So, is this your first time to eat papaya?
I ate, but I think it wasn't ripe as this one.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng ano niya, guys, ng texture. Wow, texture. Look! We can plant this one!
Okay, let's plant it. Let's put the
Guys,
seeds.
pwede na siyang itanim. Kasi ito, guys, a little bit ripe na siya. So, parang, ano na, di ba sa Pinas, mahilig tayo sa may suka. Pwede, masarap siya sa suka. So, itong ano niya, seed niya, hindi ko siya itatapon, guys. Tingnan ko kung pwede siyang itanim dito sa kanila. Eh, you can eat with ano?
The seeds?
Yes, I know. It's not the seed, but I'm going
The seeds put somewhere.
I'm going to plant the seed.
Okay, plant in a pot. So when is their season?
So, hugasan ko lang to, guys. Tapos, tuturuan ko si Vlad kumain kung paano kainin. Kasi medyo hinog na siya. Ano na siya, guys, malambot na. So, hindi na siya pwedeng isaw-saw sa suka. Hugasan ko lang. And then, I will teach Vlad how to eat it.
In our college, you know.
Yes. Come here. Show your face in the ano.
Oh my God, wait, I'm not in a...
It's okay. Very, ano siya, guys,
Hello.
confused sa kanyang looks. So, first, you have to... So, ituturo ko sa kanya kung paano.
Like you eat a melon, no?
Yes, it's like a melon. Oh, just be careful
okay.
because it's too hard a little bit. Like this. It's too sweet. Ang sarap niya, guys.
May bun, man. Asta e cel mai cop, nu? But e bun.
Da.
Știți, it's such interesting taste. And the one that I bought wasn't ripe last time.
You ask your mama if she likes it. This is good for the stomach.
Da?
Eh, maganda siyang i-ano, guys.
How much?
Wait
how many
lang, I
months?
have to peel off. Try kong balatan para makain lahat. I will try to peel it off.
Bun.
Na.
Chiar e bun fructul.
Because this one is already ripe. That's why it's good. Ang sarap niya, guys. Babalatan ko lang.
Tastes so nice. Is the original taste how it tastes in Philippines?
Da? It's the same taste. This one is much...
Wow. I like I'm eating watermelon. It's good.
Ready?
It's good.
Is this your first time?
Got this down. It was
Sarap
ripe
niya,
as well.
guys. Na?
With my greenish and it's also that's good. So
Put
I
this
like
one. Eat this one and I will peel off that one.
it. Okay. My gosh, it's good.
You like it or you pretending?
I like it as well. Really, really good.
Really?
Wow.
Trini-train ko na siya kumain ng mga ganito, guys, kasi pag pumunta kami sa Pinas, at least hindi na siya
It's expensive, this one,
maninibago. In Philippines,
Yeah.
puti. No, if you're going to buy in the market, yes, it's expensive, but usually they don't buy. Usually in my town, Kasi guys, libre lang to sa Pinas. Sa, ano guys, sa probinsya namin. This is free.
Seriously? And you can eat it very nice.
Lalo na pag nasa ano guys, nasa probinsya ka, 'di ba? Libre lang siya. Okay?
It's good.
They sell those only the giant papaya. Yung mga ano ba, yung mga may breeding na papaya. Usually yung mga maliliit, hindi nila tinitinda eh. Yung ano ba, native. Ito yung tira niya. Gusto pa niya.
Good.
I'm going to plant tomorrow the seed.
Plant. How many times have to water it per day?
It's like once or twice a week.
How and what's growing from there?
Huh?
It's the plant. How is looking at the plant?
You will see when it's growing na.
Okay. Nice. Good.
You like it?
Good. I ate mango. I ate other fruits,
Yeah.
but this one is very good.
Yeah.
Once I tried, but I think it was ripe enough. That's why.
At least, pag na to guys, tumubo, tapos may bunga, free na for tinola. Diba? Tapos pang atsara. Diba? Very Hindi nila alam kainin dito guys. Or sila lang kasi hindi sila bumibili. No, you don't buy. Because you don't know how.
But
So guys, ito na yung seed niya. So itatabi ko muna para bukas. Ito, yung seed niya para bukas. Ay, puki. Ay. Para bukas itanim ko sa labas. No, we're going to plant this tomorrow.
no, plant.
Tell it to them to not throw in. Maybe they're gonna...
May put in a room there. Much better.
So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Ciao.